And then, communication tools. So, ano yung communication tools? Katulad namin, kami, ang office namin is Zoom.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Being a virtual assistant doesn't mean hindi lahat ng client is parang hindi kayo nag-uusap, parang ganyan. Maraming client katulad namin sa part namin, ang office namin ay Zoom. Meaning, pumapasok kami rito sa Zoom like 8 o'clock their time because ito yung culture dito sa amin. So we like talaga na nasa Zoom office kasi nakakapag-collaborate kami. Lagi kami nag-uusap. It's not micromanaging. It is an office setup. So one of the communication tools namin mainly is Zoom. Okay, for meetings, work office. So yeah, pwede rin kayo mag-usap ng mga clients nyo through Viber, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WhatsApp. Okay, yung iba, I think they have Telegram, parang ganon. But yeah, marami kasing scammer daw sa Telegram. So, yan yung mga communication tools na usually sa pagiging virtual assistant.